Hi everyone, welcome back to this amazing web development tutorial. I am Ravikant So in this video, we will learn about the formatting tags in HTML. There are different types of formatting tags in HTML and these tags may be bold, strong, italic, emphasized, mark, small, delete, insert, subscript, superscript. And there are much more formatting tags in HTML. HTML formatting tags specifies how does the text can appear in the browser. Like the text should be appear bold, italic, small, large, etc. Now let's understand each tag one by one. Firstly, we will see the bold tag. Anything that appear in the bold tag is displayed in bold. HTML bold tag defines the bold text without any extra importance. Let's check out the bold tag in VS Code. I'm going to import the basic structure of HTML with using the element abbreviation. To import the element abbreviation, just shift and exclamation mark and hit enter. The VS Code automatically import the basic structure of HTML document. Change the title. I'm going to apply the bold text in a paragraph because if I apply the bold text in a heading, you are not able to observe the changes in the heading because heading is already bolded format and it is showing some extra importance. That's why it is a heading. So I'm going to apply the bold text in a paragraph. So P, then hit enter. Now if you don't want to type a paragraph and you just want to import some random text, then VS Code provide this facility to import a random text. So just write lorem. If you type 20, then it would import 20 words. Like hit enter, then VS Code automatically imported 20 words in a paragraph. And if you want to import 2000 words, then type 2000, then hit enter. Then it would automatically generate the random words. You can see there are exactly 2000 words in this paragraph. Now let's apply the bold tag in this paragraph. Let's say I'm going to apply the bold tag here. Just type B and then hit enter. Now anything you type inside this B tag would be appear bold on the browser. Let's say we type like the video. Let's right click and open with live server. As you can see, like the video text is in bold format and showing some extra importance. On the other hand, the rest of the paragraph is in normal form. Then we have the strong tag. HTML strong tag defines the text with strong importance. But twist is that the content inside typically displayed in bold is same as bold tag. Let us consider an example of paragraph in which we will apply the strong tag. Now let's apply the strong tag in another paragraph. So type P and then enter. Lorem 20. Then type strong, then hit enter. This is strong tag. So now let's open with live server. Here you can see there is not any difference between the bold tag and the strong tag. That like the video text is in bold tag and this is a strong tag is in a strong tag. Both look similar, so there is no difference between the strong and the bold tag. Then we have the HTML italic and emphasis element. Anything that appear within the italic element is displayed in italic format. The HTML italic elements define the specific part of text in an alternative format. The content inside this tag is displayed in italic. Usually the italic tag is used to indicate a technical term, a phrase from another language, a thought, etc. The next tag we have is emphasized tag or element. The HTML EM element or emphasized element define the emphasized text. The content inside is typically displayed in italic format. There is no much difference between the emphasized and italic element. Both have the same use, but the difference is that italic tag is usually used to highlight the technical term. Now let's see the example of italic tag in VS Code. Now let's take another paragraph to demonstrate the italic and emphasized elements. P, then hit enter. Generate the random text. I'm going to use the italic tag here. Just write I, then hit enter. This is a italic tag. Now I'm going to use the emphasized element within this paragraph also. So write em, then hit enter. This is emphasized tag. Okay, let's run this code in the browser. Right click and open with live server. Here you can see this is a italic tag and this is a emphasized tag. Both looks similar. There is no difference between the italic and the emphasized tag. But we will use the italic tag to highlight the technical term. So this is italic and emphasized tags. Then we have the mark element. In the web page, if we want to highlight a particular text, then we will use the mark element. The HTML mark element displays the text that should be marked highlighted. If we want to highlight anything on the web page, then we will use the mark tag. Let us consider an example of mark tag in VS Code. Now let's demonstrate the mark element or mark tag in a new paragraph. P and hit enter. Generate the random word 20 and then hit enter. I want to highlight this text in the browser, so I put this text inside the mark element. So type here and put this text inside the mark. Okay, now let's open with live server. Here you can see the text inside the mark element is highlighted on the browser. The highlighted text is in yellow color. Okay, this is the mark element. The next element we have is delete and insert element. The HTML delete element defines the text that has been deleted from a document. Browser will usually strike a line through the deleted text. The HTML inserted element defines the text that has been inserted into the document. Browser will usually underline the inserted element. Let us better understand these inserted or delete tags in VS Code. Now let's demonstrate the delete and insert tag. New paragraph, lorem. For use of delete text, we have to use the del. Del, then hit enter. This is deleted text, and I would write another text which is inserted text. For inserted text, we would write ins, then hit enter. This is new text. Let's open with live server. Here you can see the text inside the deleted element is shown like this text is deleted from the paragraph, and the text inside the inserted element is shown as it is a new inserted text in the line. This is deleted element and this is inserted element. The next tag are superscript and subscript. The HTML subscript element define the subscript text. The subscript text appear half a character below the normal line and is sometimes rendered in a small format. Subscript text can be used for chemical formulas like water formulas is H2O. Here 2 is subscripted text. We have the HTML superscript element which define the superscripted text. Superscript text appear half a character above the normal line and is sometimes rendered in a small format. Superscript text can be used for footnotes like www. Now let's demonstrate the superscript and subscript element in a new paragraph. To demonstrate the subscript element, I would use the H2O. The water molecule formula H2O, H sub. In the subscript, we would write 2 because we want 2 is subscripted from the formula, then O. Let's open with live server. Here you can see that 2 is subscripted from the given text. Now we will apply the superscripted text and we will type the text www inside the superscripted tag. Open with live server. Here you can see the www text is superscripted from the original text and H2O 2 is subscripted from the original line. So these are subscript and superscripted text. Okay friends, this is it for now. I hope you are able to understand the formatting tags in HTML. I will catch you up in the next one.